What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it's pretty much doing exactly what we predicted in our previous video, which was the fact that, it's had a really big overextension here to around $300, and it'll probably come back and retest the previous all-time high as support before continuation. And as you can see, pretty much on the exact money. If we just zoom in here, you can see previous all-time high at around $250. We've come down, wicked perfectly onto this line that we've drawn in here. Pretty much perfectly, come back down onto that area at around that. Let me just get rid of these lines. They're always there, but they're not very useful anymore. We've pretty much come perfectly back down onto the all-time high, haven't we? Which is, super bullish. If we throw our fib retracement tool on here, we can probably get a bit more of an idea about what's going on as well. You can see we've come up to the psychological number of around, what is this, $300 here? Where essentially we have found a bit of resistance, and we've run out of steam to the upside because this was a very large pump, wasn't it? Basically done a 2x here from around that $140 level all the way up in about a week's time to around $300, and now we've retraced, looking for a bit of support, and we have found it on that previous all-time high right here. Looking very, very bullish indeed. Coming down, finding support on that previous all-time high of around $250. And it looks as though we are currently trading at around $255, just getting a bit of a bounce off that price target. So it looks as though we have had a nice bit of a retracement here. Our EMAs are still catching up, but obviously we would expect those to hold as support as well as they continue to come to the upside. And we know overall we do think that things are looking just exceptionally bullish in general. Things looking very, very good for continuation. And you can see what's happened with Egld. I mean, this is an absolutely lovely looking cup kind of formation with the high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, and then we reverse our trend, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Basically just a perfect trend reversal, and also with that all-time high being broken, you would expect now for the, that retracement for that higher low and that continuation up to some of our price targets. So L1 looking really, really good, retesting previous support, looking super, super bullish, and we can look at short-term price predictions then, keeping these videos nice and short and sweet for you. You can see we've got the 20 moving average coming up here. If we do, roll over, lose that previous all-time high support, we do have an area of structure here around, $230-ish, where you'd expect the 20 moving average to come up towards, and we could potentially roll over, retest the 20, and then get a bounce to the upside. And obviously we do have a deeper correction target of the 55 as well, probably coming in at around that $200 level by the time it gets down there, something like this. So, and then if we do start to pump up again, back to that $300 level, the first target, and then we do have the 127, coming in at around $375 would be our next price target for the short term if we do start to pump again. And then for the longer term price targets, we've got the 141 coming in at around $466 here. Obviously, we've got the $500 psychological price target would be quite significant as well, we would say. And then we've got the 161 coming in at around $626, and then obviously that massive 227 overextension at around $1,700. And we do think how much Elrond has been pumping, we do think over $1,000 is probably quite likely considering how well all these layer ones have been doing. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.